Have you ever wished you could put thumbnails right in a cell in Google Sheets without having to manually download or upload it? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So up at the top, we have two pieces that we're going to need for this. One is a regex extract that's going to get the ID from the video link here. And then this is a sample URL for our thumbnail image. And so let's go ahead and copy this, and then let's jump right in and see how we can put this together. So image, and then we're going to put that inside double quotes. And then what we need to do is substitute that for our ID. And so this is where we're going to take our regex. So let's go ahead and grab that and put that right in there. And so this is going to be D5, hit enter, and then we're going to have just this quick error. And so what this is saying is trying to retrieve something from the URL, which is the image. So we're going to have to allow access if we want this to work. So go ahead and allow access. And now you can see that thumbnail popping up right like that. And so now if I drag this down, it's going to repeat that process for each YouTube URL. So one more thing I want to show you real quick though, is we could make this thumbnail clickable as well. So right now, if I hover over the image, it's not doing anything. I can see it, but I have to come over here, click on the URL. But what if I want to combine the two? So in that case, what we're going to do, we're going to put this image inside of a hyperlink. So a hyperlink, we need a URL first and then our link label. And so our URL is going to be D5 and then comma and image, hit enter. And now you can see there's that link. And so we could click on this to pull up that video. And now we can drag this down for wherever we have URLs. And those thumbnails are now loaded for each of those YouTube videos. All right, so that is it for today's video. Make sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more tutorials on both Google Sheets and AppScript. And as always, have a great day.